a charming ornament for your tree. I usually celebrate New Year Eve more than Christmas, so I decorated the tree and the house closer to the New Year. This time I decided to transform a plain white ornament into a magical donut. Step 1. Preparation. Choose a white ornament and carefully remove the attachment. To create the donut dough, use orange, red, and the brown colors. Step 2. Painting. Mix acrylic colors to achieve the perfect shade for the dough and chocolate. Apply a thick layer to give the design extra dimension. Step 3. Details. Add decorate in the form of red sprinkles. If something doesn't suit your taste, don't worry, you can always go back to the brown color. Step 4. Adding the final touches. Apply white icing and let it dry. Attach the hanger at a cute bow and voila, your unique tree ornament is ready for holiday magic.